Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie, and it's another week. I have finally finished all of our Christmas family get-togethers just a few hours ago. It is Sunday evening. We have a very busy Monday. My daughter is finishing segment 2 driver's training, and there's a snowstorm coming, so I want to make sure I get my grocery shopping done. It's already been a busy day. Why not add one more thing to it? But that way I can make sure I still got a video to you guys, and we still get to eat for the week. I'm trying to use a lot of the things I have on hand. Let's see what I'm coming up with once we get into the store. I did forget to mention Elsie's here with me, so hopefully she doesn't add too much to the total. But you know how she is. Hungry. Okay, first I'm getting cilantro for 95 cents and green onions for 95 cents. We're having burrito bowls this week, and both of those are important. Just bought 4 pounds of strawberries at Meyer yesterday for 99 cents, and they're $4 here. Not gonna get them here, get more at Meyer. I'm gonna get some blueberries. I think these will be good with our charcuterie spread once again on New Year's Eve at $2.85. We have so much leftover food from holidays this past week. We hosted on Sunday, both sides of my family, and we have a bunch of fried chicken my husband made left over, so we're having fried chicken sandwiches. I'm going to get lettuce for salads and for the sandwiches, $2.99. I'm going to get brioche rolls for the chicken sandwiches, $3.99. This is going to be Monday's dinner. Okay, I'm changing from the rolls to the sesame seed brioche buns. These are $3.85. Yummy. Surprise, surprise, Elsie asked me to get pineapple juice even though we have so many other drinks at home. I'm going to get it for her, $4.89. And in case you're curious, our dirty soda bar was a huge hit this weekend at the family Christmas. Hopefully you weren't going to get any charcuterie items for New Year's Eve because at my Aldi they're all gone. Okay, the girls want me to get pretzel slims. These are $1.89 for hummus. So we're going to get those. And I've been wanting to get veggie straws, so I'm going to get these at $2.79. Matt wanted tortilla chips and queso for New Year's Eve. So I'm going to get, I like the bite-sized rounds. I'm going to get 2 bags of these because we're also having burrito bowls. And my son, who's home all week again, loves nachos. $1.95 a piece. I need red onion. They're $2.19. I need this for bean salad that I'm making just to have throughout the week, but also for the chicken sandwiches. Elsie just pointed out there's these small potatoes, and then there's this one that's like the size of 6 of them. We had a nice little chuckle over that. Okay, I don't have these on the meal plan, but my girls really like to roast potatoes. I just feel like an easy lunch. I'm going to probably get 2 bags of these, $3.29 a piece. Potato lovers. We ate these last week. We're going to have them for New Year's Eve, but I had to reach once again for the garlic stuffed olives. The jar's a little suspect, but I'm still getting it at $2.99. Elsie also pointed these out, and I never say no to olives, $2.49. Chicken sandwiches, I'm going to get a couple Roma tomatoes. They are 89 cents a pound. And then I'm also going to get a couple avocados, whether for the chicken sandwiches or burrito bowls. I'm going to get, let's see, I need ones that'll be good later in the week. So we'll get 3 avocados total. Woo-hoo. And they are only 49 cents a piece. Pretty good deal. At an Aldi yesterday in a different area to get cat litter, and they didn't have any. Thankfully, my Aldi has some, $6.19. I like that cat litter. Speaking of non-grocery items, I need more paper towel. It's $5.99 for a 6-pack. I try not to use paper towels, so this lasts us quite a while, but we are running low. The Aldi Finds aisle is very picked over, although they do still have some Christmas clearance, which surprises me. But hopefully Wednesday it'll look a lot more fall and more organized. Most of my meals are based on leftovers or things that we have on hand this week, easy for the budget. But I have the holiday pasta I bought last week on clearance, so I'm going to get red sauce for that, $1.65. I also have frozen meat that I've already prepared. That'll go great with that. And I have Rhodes rolls to use from the freezer. Asked me to get Fruity Pebbles, so here we are, $4.05. I wish they had an Aldi version. I say that every time I buy these. We're almost out of olive oil, so I'm going to get this. It's $5.99. A lot of beans because we're going to have the burrito bowls. So I'm going to get a couple things of black beans just to have on hand. One for burrito bowls, one for if the girls want it. 79 cents for that. I'm going to be making rice, but I have everything I need for that. But I'm gonna get 2 things of kidney beans at 79 cents a piece. 3 things of garbanzo beans for the bean salad, and those are 75 cents a piece. I put an extra one of these in because it's such a juicy salad. And then I need the giant can of pinto beans, $1.59 for this. And I need a can of corn for one of our meals. We're having gnocchi that I bought and haven't made anything with, 50 cents. For the baking powder, need more of this, $1.85. I'm gonna get 3 more of these for New Year's Eve. We're big fans. It was a huge hit on Christmas, $2.49 a piece. I consulted with Elsie. We're gonna get the last red grape and then 2 apples. This is also $2.49. The chicken salads on Monday, we are having seasoned fries, but I'm actually gonna get 2 bags because the girls like to make fries. As I mentioned, they're potato ladies, $2.89 a bag. I have a lot of leftover mashed potatoes, and with that, I'm gonna make some thin breast chicken and peas. I need peas, 97 cents. Mila loves these. $2.79. I need Parmesan cheese. Elsie asked me to get the spicy hummus, which is what we used to get all the time, and I got sick of it. But here we are, significantly spicy hummus. It's $2.59 a piece. I'm gonna get 2 of them since the girls are home all week. It always happens. Kids come, they get more. She wants these unicorn cones. They're raspberry. She likes how soft the ice cream is, she says. So happy girl gets her unicorn cones, $3.99. True post-holiday vibes. It is pretty low stock in here. You can see lots of people have stocked up for probably lots of events, just like we have. And now I have way too much food at home, so I don't need to buy a lot. Okay. My thin breast chicken is not marked down, so I'm gonna just use stuff from my freezer. But I have a plan to have this for 2 nights this week. I'm gonna make it in a batch and have it for at least 2 meals. Okay, so I have been enjoying having K-Cups, and with everyone being home, I'm not going to Panera as much, so I'm just gonna get a little bit more. And I think I'm going to get just another box of the decaf here. I really liked it. I'm tempted to get this, but I don't drink flavors as much when I'm fasting. And I don't really need 36, so I'll get this one. I'm also tempted to have that. Maybe I'll get the donut store decaf. I'm gonna get French vanilla, and I'll have that when I'm not fasting. They're $4.59 a piece. Okay, this is it from Aldi. We're gonna go check out. Any guess on the total? We have 15 minutes before they close. We got here after 7 and we left before they closed. I feel like we made good time, and my total was $110.43. We only have a few things to get from Meyer. Hopefully they have more of those 99-cent strawberries. And after Meyer, we'll go home and I'll share with you the meal plan. So let's get there. We've made it to Meyer, and thankfully we do not have the same time constraints. But it is oddly close to 60 degrees right now. And then we're about to have a snowstorm tomorrow. Michigan does not make sense, but I'm enjoying it right now. All the Christmas stuff is gone. It's kind of odd, but yay, we still see the 99-cent strawberries. Else, should we get some more strawberries? They were very good today. I'm thinking 5 packs. We had a lot of charcuterie stuff out on Christmas Eve, and we have so much left over. We're just doing it again New Year's Eve, but I just have to supplement a little bit. And we ate all of the pistachios, so I'm gonna get more of these, $5.99. Elsie wants cheese pizza rolls for New Year's Eve. These are on sale for $4.50. Now, me personally, I really want mini corn dogs for New Year's Eve, along with the charcuterie. I know Matt will eat these with me, and then I'll eat the rest for Super Bowl, $5.99. So Elsie's eyes lit up when she saw the pies. What are you asking for?
Coconut cream pie.
Okay, we'll have this on New Year's Eve as well. $7.49 for Marie Callender's coconut cream pie. Are you happy? One more thing to get. Sometimes Aldi has it, but it's usually around the Super Bowl. And they have a yellow version, not the white version. Can you guess what it is before we get there? I bought it several times from Aldi and from Meyer. We're in luck. We're getting the Velveeta Queso Blanco, and they're on sale for $6.99. We're gonna have this with New Year's Eve. Also, we're gonna have it with burrito bowls. So it's a twofer. Okay, and as always, Elsie needs something. She's asking for the guacamole salsa, $3.59. Okay, Elsie, since I love you, you could eat it on your coconut cream pie. A little hopeful that I'd see some clearance on like holiday coffees. No luck yet. things are not looking good for us decaf lovers. They still haven't brought the decaf beans back, which makes me wonder, are they ever going to? Okay, here we are. Here is our basket. It is quite heavy. Any guess on the total? We are back from Meyer, last glimpse of Christmas, and here is the meal plan for the week. Monday tonight, we are having chicken sandwiches. Matt made Nashville hot chicken on Sunday, our last Christmas party, and we have a lot of it left over. So we're going to turn it into chicken sandwiches. We're going to have the French fries with it, strawberries. We also have leftover mashed potatoes and gravy, and we're going to have that Tuesday with some pan-fried thin chicken breasts. We're going to make the peas with that. Wednesday, we're just going to have a bunch of snacks. We have a lot of crackers from Christmas Eve, a lot of cheese from Christmas Eve, some pickles. I bought more olives, snacky things, the pizza rolls, the mini corn dogs, chips and salsa, chips and queso, which the queso will be good on Saturday when we have burrito bowls, but we'll get to that. Thursday, we're going to have gnocchi and Alfredo and salad. Elsie had requested we have gnocchi soon, and I'm finally getting around to it. Friday, wait a minute, I mixed those up. Friday will be the burrito bowls, and Saturday is the work party. I just realized that as I'm saying this. But so we're going to jump to burrito bowls. That's going to be rice in the rice cooker, black beans. I have frozen meat, and I prep it in bulk, and then we have different meat. I don't know if I'm going to pull out shredded chicken or ground beef, maybe birria beef. We'll see. Whatever bag I find first, essentially. And then we have a bunch of toppings, sour cream. We'll have the queso from earlier, salsa. Make burrito bowls. The cilantro, green onion. Build whatever you want. Then really on Saturday, it's my husband's work party. It's a holiday party, kind of celebration of the year. They haven't had one of these ever since he's worked there, so I'm pretty excited. It's at a local hotel. There's going to be dinner, lots of fun, and we'll probably get the kids carry-out pizza that night because they will not be at the work party with us. And then finally, Sunday, we're going to have the holiday pasta that I bought on clearance. It's holiday shapes. I have Rhodes bread dough. I'm going to make Parmesan garlic pull-apart bread, and we'll have red sauce. I also have a meat bolognese sauce that I made. I will have that along with the jarred marinara, and probably salads with that as well, or leftover peas. And pretty much every meal is going to have strawberries. I've mentioned doing charcuterie or snacky type foods from Aldi a few times last week, this week, and if you want to see an older video I made kind of showing a setup, it changes every single time how we do it, but you can see kind of a cute little setup we do using mostly all Aldi ingredients, different fruits, nuts. It all gets set up and munched on, and it's simple and enjoyable. You can watch that video right here. I hope you enjoy the New Year's holiday. I hope your holiday season's been wonderful. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, down and ciao.